Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Holidu app review in order to see if the app is definitely worth using. So let's dive into it. The Holidu app offers a broad selection of vacation rentals and has a helpful search engine to compare listing across multiple platforms. Many users appreciate the wide varieties of choice, easy to use filter, and competitive pricing. However, there are serious red flags, which is multiple reports highlighted, last-minute cancellation, misleading property description, and poor customer support when things go wrong. For example, a high level of negative review, list resolved complaint over refund, and misrepresentation. So in my opinion, Holidu is still worth trying if you are shopping for vacation rentals at scale and comfortable doing extra homework on listing. But if you demand strong guarantee level support, full accuracy of listing, and minimal risk, you should proceed with caution or look at more established platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.